Stop translating in your head, think in English. Hello everyone! Welcome back to another helpful video on English with Olive. Today we're going to talk about one of the biggest problems many English learners face: translating in your head before speaking. We'll show you why it slows you down and how to break this habit. By the end of this video, you'll learn simple tips to start thinking directly in English.
Thanks, Annie. This is a very important topic. Many students tell me, I know what I want to say, but it takes time to translate. Don't worry, we'll explain how you can stop this habit step by step. Let's begin.
So first, let's understand why people translate in their heads. When we learn a new language, we often use our native language as a base. For example, if your first language is Urdu, you might first think in Urdu and then try to translate into English. This is normal in the beginning, but if it becomes a habit, it can stop your progress.
Yes, exactly. Translation takes time. Imagine you're in a conversation and someone asks, "What do you do on weekends?" Instead of replying quickly, you start thinking in your language, then look for the English words. This delay can make you nervous and affect your confidence.
That's true. Thinking in English helps you speak faster, more naturally, and more fluently. But now you might be asking, how can I think in English? Let's talk about some useful ways to train your brain.
The first tip is, start with simple words and phrases. Don't wait for big, difficult sentences. Just practice everyday words. For example, when you see a chair, say chair in your mind, not kursi. When you feel cold, say I'm cold, not mujhe thand lag rahi hai. Do this every day with small things around you.
That's a very good way to begin. Our second tip is use English during your daily routine. When you wake up, say to yourself, I am brushing my teeth, I am getting ready, or I am making tea. Talk to yourself in English as you go through your day. It feels strange at first, but it really works.
Right. And don't worry about grammar in the beginning. It's okay to make mistakes. The goal is to train your brain to stay in English mode.
The third tip is think in full sentences, not just single words. Instead of saying apple, say this apple is red. Instead of saying book, say I am reading this book. This helps you build fluency and sentence structure without thinking in your native language.
Yes. And here's another great tip. Describe things around you in English. Wherever you are, look around and describe what you see. Say, there is a table in front of me. It is brown. My laptop is on the table. Doing this daily improves your speaking without translating.
It's like making English your habit, not your homework. Many people only practice English when they're in class or with a teacher. But the real progress happens when you use English every day, even when you're alone.
Very true. And here's one more trick. Ask yourself questions in English. For example, what do I want to eat? How do I feel today? Answer them in English. I want to eat rice. I feel happy today. This makes your mind stay in English and think faster.
Now let's talk about reading and listening. When you read English stories or listen to English videos, try not to translate everything. Try to understand the meaning from context. Even if you don't know every word, guess the meaning. This helps your brain to get used to English directly.
Yes, context is important. And also, don't use the dictionary every time. Instead, look at the full sentence and think, What could this word mean here? This helps you improve your thinking skills in English.
That's why it's important to read simple books, listen to English music, or watch short English videos. It keeps your brain in touch with the language. The more English you hear and read, the more your brain learns to think in it.
Exactly. Immersion is the key. Even if you live in a country where people don't speak English, you can still surround yourself with English. Change your phone language, write your diary in English, and follow English pages online.
Now let's talk about another idea. Speaking with yourself. Yes, speak out loud to yourself in English. It feels funny in the beginning, but it's powerful. You can say, I am cooking now. Today I will study for 2 hours, or this movie is interesting.
And if you make a mistake, don't stop. Just continue speaking. Fluency comes with practice, not perfection. Even native speakers make mistakes, so don't worry too much.
You can even record your voice. Speak for 1 minute every day about your day or your plans. Listen to the recording and find where you can improve. This will make you more confident and aware of your progress.
That's a great activity. Also, try to think in English when you are walking, traveling, or waiting in a queue. For example, you can say in your mind, I am waiting for the bus. The weather is hot today. Or, I have many things to do.
Remember, the goal is not to be perfect, but to be natural. Stop thinking, how do I say this in English? Instead, let your thoughts flow directly in English.
Exactly. Translation is like a traffic jam for your fluency. It blocks your thoughts and makes you nervous. But thinking in English is like an open road, smooth and fast.
So, let's quickly review what we've learned in this video. First, stop translating in your head. Second, start small with everyday words and phrases. Third, describe your surroundings and speak to yourself in English.
Fourth, ask yourself questions and answer in English. Fifth, read and listen to English without translating word by word. Sixth, immerse yourself in English as much as possible, even if you're alone.
And most importantly, be patient and kind to yourself. Fluency is not a race, it's a journey. With regular practice, you will definitely start thinking in English.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope these tips will help you speak English more confidently. Practice daily, and you'll see a big difference soon.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf for more useful lessons. See you in the next video. Take care and keep thinking in English.
Bye for now. And remember, stop translating, start thinking in English.